Good job. Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here. Add me on Snapchat because you guys are missing out pretty cool features and modifications and clues that I'm doing to my 2013 Audi A4 rebuild project. And I'm pretty psyched about the next thing that's coming up pretty soon, because if you haven't already seen my Instagram story a couple of days ago from when this video was posted, I just bought a 2018 Audi A4 Quattro DSG transmission. Pretty good deal. The oil pan is cracked, but other than that, the transmission worked. The person said, I'm taking the person's word on this, and he tells me if anything goes wrong, I have 6 months of warranty, so that's not an issue. That'll give me enough time to get that transmission put into this car with not the Generation 2 crappy 2.0 engine. I'm putting the Generation 3, which is in some 2016 models, but usually they're found in the 2017 and newer Audi A4, the B9 platforms. And other than that, I got these LED dynamic turn signals for my 2013 Audi A4 rebuild, and these are pretty cool. The link will be in the description, and as well as my Instagram and Snapchat. And let's get straight to installing these lights. Since I already made a do-yourself easy installation tutorial on replacing the OEM side mirror cover housings with carbon fiber, I have made a time-lapse for this video only. So to not be redundant, please click the video in the upper right hand corner to follow a step-by-step video. That way you can install your LED dynamic turn signals, which is the same as my old video. Now that we have finished removing the carbon fiber housing side mirror, we're going to remove the LED light and install these dynamic LED lights right now. And there you guys have it. This part's already finished. And now let's go do the second one. And it's all pretty much flushed in. There is a crack right here because I did buy this plastic shroud right here pre-owned, because when I hit a pole a while ago, many years ago, I lost mine and it broke my side mirror, all that, and I got it replaced. And there you guys have it. It's pretty much done, all flushed in. And we're gonna connect a battery to the car and start the car. Even though there's no engine in it, the battery can still start the turn signals and all that. So let's get that started. I'm switching out these seats for an S4 seats. I hate beige. It's a project car. This is what happens when it's there for 8 months. Look at all that dirt and dust. Ugh. I miss this car. Let's grab the keys. Put it in here. Man, I miss this car. Yeah. Who cares? Let's put on hazards. Nice. That's pretty dope. I think they're both synchronized. Now let's go check out this side. See how it looks like from this angle. Oh, yes. That's dope. Cannot wait to do the rear one soon. Ow, my toe. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy future videos later on. And 500 horsepower, here we go. Peace out, everybody. See you in the next one.